how to link my Chime to Cash App. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to link your Chime bank to Cash App. So first of all, after you open up your Cash App like this now tap on your profile at the top right side like this one. So after you tap on your profile like this now, it will take you to this option. So from this option now, scroll to down and tap on this section which says link bank, this one. So after you tap on this link bar, it will take you to this option now. In this section now, tap on this, as you can see now, link debit card, this one, tap on it. So after you tap on this link debit card now, it will load this option for you. So as you can see, it says add a bank using your debit card. So just scroll to down and tap on this section which says no card, tap on this option. So after you tap on this option now, it will take you to this option here. It says link your bank account. So from this option, all you have to do now is scroll to down and tap on this continue button, this one. So after you tap on this continue button, so from this option here, it says select your institution. So just tap on this Chime. Here is the Chime that you want to link. Tap on it. So it will load this option for you. Here it says log in at Chime Bank. So all you have to do now, you can tap on this continue to log in button. So now from there, you can just add your Chime Bank login details. That's it, guys, on how to link Chime to Cash App. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.